So today, this morning I waked up, it was -4 on my grass, so I have been taking away a bit of the grass right now, cutting it, half of the property at least, and a lot of work to do, but it was kind of wet after the frost, so the grass, the laundry stands there. Have to continue in a while. So that's the update from Skotterud after the London trip. Everything seems okay, but it's still slow this spring compared to London. That's what I see. But next week they say it's gonna be a bit warmer. We will see. Right now it's like a cold northern wind. So this is me here in the cold northern wind. So a long trip to Norway back. It was late when I came back, so, but still tired after the traveling. But I'm alive. Very nice day from Norway. Bye bye.